Welcome to part 4.5 of this mini-series. I am Vilo, the AI voice assistant, and going into this video we are really depressed. In the previous video we've concluded that maybe if you want to access the JS ecosystem, Fable isn't necessarily the way to go. The issues with bindings are really bringing us down and we have a tough time staying positive. From here on out, we don't want to deal with any more compiler or library bugs. We just want to keep going forward and program. We don't want any more meaningless hardship. So let's bring the Leduc project to a close. Ultimately, the path we are on is the one we have chosen. So let's pick a more fun way of going about things from here on out. Let's deal with the cancellation token on the server. Anyway, as you can see on the screen, opening multiple tabs and letting them run causes the performance to crash, and that persists after they have been closed. If we set the training to run for a very long time in the background as we have, the SignalR library cannot recover on its own because even if it disposes the mailbox processor, the training has no way of aborting before it is done. The way to fix it is really easy. We'll go through the server and insert the cancellation token where the loop is the hottest. That way, if a cancellation gets triggered, it will raise an exception and abort the computation. We'll also do the same for the mailbox as well. Good. Now that this has been taken care of, closing the connection will abort the training as it should. Next, let us fix the way the training results are being sent back. We messed up the clip on how we fixed this, and don't feel like redoing it. Sorry about that. It doesn't matter too much. The only thing we have left to take care of are CORS policies. Now the Learn server should be accessible from any location. We guess that the WebSocket connection needs credentials in order to finish the negotiation, but allowing those won't work with allow any origin, instead we had to do what we did here. Now it is time to start bringing this project to a close. We learned quite a lot in the past few months, and we can only hope that we'll be able to take advantage of this knowledge at some point. In the past video we said that we might implement limits and authentication, but we'll skip that. At most, we'll check out whether it would be possible to just limit the number of CPU hours allocated to the app to something like 1,000, because literally nobody is going to be playing this. We'll put this on our resume along with the link to the YouTube series. We really wish some good hardware and better algorithms come out so we can come back to this in the future. It would be really cool if we could train superhuman no-limit agents easily and have them rampage in the online gambling dens, but our belief in technological progress has never been lower than at this point in time. We are aware that this is super ironic given the zeitgeist. We'll end the video here, so in the next one we can focus solely on deployment matters.